Welcome back to Integrity Whips. Where we left off was getting that keyway off, and I actually have to head to work, but Weird Beard thinks she can get that keyway completely off, and looks like it's going to be a little bit warped, so we possibly have to go to a salvage yard to get a new one.
Yeah, I can see it moving. It ain't moving no more. Finally, that's what we've been after this whole time. My God, it was in there. We finally got it out. Man, that thing was a pain, but we got it. So we're gonna get us a new one in there now. This is what she looks like. She's pretty boogered up.
Alright guys, here's our new gear. As you guys can tell, the old one was a little wallered out.
Yeah, that's gonna fix our timing issue. This one was it was just turning on the crankshaft, you guys remember, right? If you didn't see the last video, check it out. That was definitely throwing our timing way off. All right, so here's our old pulley here. You could kind of get an idea of what's happening there. The whole keyway groove, the little notch that the keyway goes in, was completely wore out. This is what it's supposed to look like, most of you know. So this is our salvage one that we got from the salvage yard. I think it's gonna fix our issue. That with that new keyway. All right, let's get that on there. All right, let's crank it, see what happens. All right, she's firing, but man, that timing's way off. All right, we got all our timing marks lined up. Let's see what happens.
Not shooting out well.
Whoa, we got some oil. Everything's good to go. Let's fire it up. Let's see what it does. There it is. Oh my God. We've got oil pressure. Fired right up like butter. Hell yeah.
Surprising. Okay.
All right, cool.
Our spark plug wires is all connected wire.
Yeah,
backwards.
Had them in the wrong spot, didn't we?
Yep.
We went 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was supposed to be, what was it, 1, 342. And yeah, it'll never fire up like that, right? So let's take this off now, because you have to take that off to put the valve cover on. And then once that's on, we'll put that back on, and then we can put the alternator back right there. And that's all you. Hold up, you left something behind.
Did you left something? Just like that.
Put your hose on it. Remember that hose that goes over there? You got tied in a knot. Goes to that reservoir. There's a hose over there kind of tied in a knot. Look down in there. See it? Yeah, grab that one. Bring it back over here. And it goes right here.
Alright, we got her all back together now. We got water in it. Let's fire her up and see how she does.
Nice. She's running good, dude. For real. Yeah, keep in mind it does have some old gas in it, for real.
I signed myself up for another Ranger project. It's kind of a beater. Not kind of a beater, it's a beater. It's the 2.3 in it. It's what I like. We clearly didn't take the best care of it. I'm not gonna lie, we didn't. But it shows that it's just the fuel pump that it needs. It's not kicking on. So I got that, of course, and a fuel filter. I have the battery charging. We're gonna clean out the bed, of course, so we get to the fuel pump. I'm gonna just quit yakking. Let's just hop right in the video. Yeah, I just had a mass run out on me. Oh, there he is. Fun! Come on, man, just find your way out, please. Jumping
We'll drag all that out. Drag it out the back. Yeah.
Is he standing? Look at him, he's standing.
He just went off like a diving board.
Bed.
Yeah, those are just twisted out. Yeah, just leave that on there. Just twist those over two like that. About to get that off there. I'll help you lift the bed off when you're done. Sweet, new parts, gotta love it. Oh wow, you got the whole sending unit. Hey, I wasn't expecting the whole sending unit. I thought we were just getting a little pump by itself. Oh, that's awesome. What'd that cost you?
89 bucks.
89 bucks? Can't beat that.
What about this guy?
Yeah, take all that crap off of there. Just be real gentle with it. That's your flow. That's what reads your gas gauge. Okay, hang on, wait. You gotta fish the float down in there with it. Yeah, sometimes you gotta kind of snake it down in there. Go the other way. Go the other way. There, just like that. Perfect. Just fish it down there real gently like. What's it hanging up on? Oh, hold on, be careful.
Right here.
Yeah, you don't want to mess that up. So, there you go, perfect. All right, now you should be able just to screw that right on there. Perfect. Turn your key on. See if anything squirts out. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, we got fuel now. Turn it on again. I'm wondering about this battery. Crank it. That's what I was afraid of. Hang on. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Turn your key on. I forgot about this. Something's up with the ignition. And
Remember we used to always have to like wiggle it?
yeah. You got the key all the way on?
Off.
Turn it all the way on? Alright, now we had to mess with this last time. We have to short across the solenoid here. Let's see if this will work. There we go. There we go. She's a runner. Just like that. Sweet. I knew it would run, dude. It ran when I parked it here. I know we've all heard that one before, right?
What'd this take us, like an hour, 2 hours?
Yeah, if that. You know, just long. Yeah. It took more time to clean all the junk out of the bed than anything. All right. Well, we've confirmed it. It's a runner, so we're gonna build it, right? That's all the gas it's got in it, so that's all that was. He's like, oh crap, what now? All right, yeah, we just ran out of gas. No big deal. We'll get some more gas in it, and we're gonna see about getting some tires or something so we can drive it out of here, right? Cool. We'll try it out. Now we got some gas in it. Let's see if she'll run a little longer. Oh, man, she's back. He wants to check it, see if it'll go into gear. Oh, there she went. Boy, she went into gear good, didn't she? There's drive. All right. Hit it reverse one more time. Yeah, she's good to go, man. She's a good old truck. I drove that truck for years back and forth to work every day. And then this guy got a hold of it, and his brothers, his sister, his cousins, and this is all that's left of it. They ran it through the woods for years, through all those trails back there, and yeah, that's what you end up with when you're done with all that, I guess. But we'll get her fixed back up. I don't see any chocolate milk. That's always a plus. Okay, good. All right, it hasn't warmed up yet, so you should be able to. I bet it don't even have anything in it. I can see a little down in there, barely. Yeah, we better get some coolant in it. That's okay.
You'd probably give it an oil change too.
Yeah, I'd probably go through and change all the fluids if I was you.
Alright guys, I got her started up, just getting her all warmed up. Snowing out here. I had to steal the wheels off my Ranger, the 87. Yeah, I'm freezing right here. I'm gonna take this up here to the shop. Alright, here we go. You ready, Bernie? We made it. That wasn't too bad, huh, Bernie? Well, there she is, guys. She drove right up here just fine. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. It's getting pretty long. But next video we're gonna go out to the salvage yard, get a new front clip. Yeah, I basically have 2 Rangers now. How sweet is that? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Integrity Whips. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, link in the description.